are back flying the R-44, just waiting on Lester. I'm gonna do the pre-flight and put some fuel in it. And then we're gonna go, hopefully this will be the checkout so I can start doing more helicopter adventures here with this helicopter soon. But it's been a while, so need a little refresher with Lester. Always fun to fly with him.
Good morning.
Hello, Lester.
How are you? Ready for your big day?
Is it a big day?
A little bit way different to start it. Other than that, everything else should be the same.
Well, it's got the nice horizontal stabilizer.
Yep, that's new.
And it's got the new tail rotor.
He put about 5 times more money than we thought it was going to be for the annual. Went through the engine, got a bunch of new parts on it, just stuff that really had to be changed. I ain't saying she's overhauled, but she's pretty close to it. Horizontal stabilizers on there. You know, and she flies good. So we're going to make sure you can take care of it on your own, and we're going to turn it over to you as needed.
I already got problems because I can't disconnect the tug.
I know why.
Is there a latch?
No, well, there's that front bar you pull out.
You got
that.
No.
Yeah, that bar actually locks it in, and not it'll pop out of there. And sometimes you got to have the wheels pop when you lower it. But we're going to check it out right now.
Yeah, I tried, but.
Did you pull the bar out? That flat bar?
No.
Do that.
No. Oh yeah, look at that. I'll be damned.
You see that? Your old instructor can always
I
teach
learn
you
something every day.
I taught something to Calvin, who's got, I don't know, 5,000 hours in multi-engine jets and everything, and I taught him something the other day, because he didn't know that an airplane can get a special to take off. I said, yeah. No, push it down. And usually we just back it up, I'll take it down. No. Continue when it boots up. See it?
Oh, it's not up yet. All right, doors closed and latched. Hold on, we got to do the warm-up RPM 60 to 70. Once the clutch light is out.
And go ahead and drop your throttle, needle split. Good, and then go back to 70 and hold. And remember, to put the governor back on, you don't need to stick your finger in there, you just need to push right there on the little plastic right there.
But I can do the hydraulic check right now, right?
Yes, you can. Well, you gotta take the frictions off. Okay. Well, the hydraulics off.
Clear behind us, that guy is not going anywhere. Clear right. Try not to over control it. Well, these pedals are stiffed. You feel that?
Nope.
Hey, you ready?
I'm ready.
That's a 2-stage pickup.
Obviously, the out's going to be either side. I'd go that way with a fuel truck. So your pedals and your cyclic, and you're probably going to come left cyclic. See what the pedals do. All right, a little more left pedal. Excellent. Hold it right there. Okay. A lot of don't blow off. Just make sure we go get it. Where the hell's he going?
The fuel truck? He's probably going to the hangars over there.
Oh, yeah. He's got a new light to put up. How's it feel?
Ah, good. I got it.
Back with 3 fingers.
Yeah, just a little different.
A little bit nicer. Faster than everything you flew. Well, except the 6, right? The 6 would go faster.
Yeah. Less inertia. That 58, I mean, it just wants to float.
I know this thing will float too, believe it or not. You know that.
All right, what are we doing? Patterns, autos?
Whatever you choose, you may indulge. Okay, it looks like everything over this way is clear. You got a little bit, what is that about? Maybe
Crosswind.
110, 120 on the heading for the wind. So we'll go to the right. And you can make your call and just say we'll make left traffic back
Oh, we're making right traffic, aren't we?
Left traffic if we're going to go that way. Left traffic standard.
Yeah, we're not standard. We're going to be outside of the flow of fixed wing traffic.
Oh, okay.
So we'll go right traffic.
All right.
All right, 3Gs, top of T, no WCs. Fuel is good for at least an hour and a half.
At least, yeah. Clear left, clear forward, clear right.
Is this the right hover height for this thing?
Yep.
Okay.
Less than 3 feet, you're good.
All Vital traffic, helicopter 458 Delta Bravo is departing from the taxiway, will be entering a right closed, runway 18, vital. Here we go.
That's enough cycling. I mean collective.
I'm not doing any more.
Remember, that's your ball, right? The 58 over there, did they put anything into the cockpit or everything?
Oh no, it's a G3X.
Oh, good.
The 58's a glass cockpit.
Excellent.
The 6 is the one that nothing works.
Right.
All the airspeed and all that reminds me of flying the 22. They're working on getting that sorted out.
All right.
Vital traffic, helicopter 458 Delta Bravo, turn right crosswind, runway 18, flight out.
I think we'll probably stick with left traffic. The one that's the normal flow. Two, we're not over as many houses if we're going that way on the next pass. Okay.
Okay.
Everybody here at Slido does left.
Even in helicopters?
Yeah, there are not many helicopters, but if we stick with that, that way we're not pissing.
There's less outs on that side. That's just trees.
Exactly.
That's bad.
Well, I don't know. You'd rather go on a tree or on a house?
Depends on the yard.
It depends on what the daughter looks like on the inside, right?
Vital traffic, helicopter 458 Delta Bravo, right downwind, runway 18, flight out.
Okay, cruise.
3Gs, top of T,
Bob,
AWCs.
Bob,
This thing is smoother now. Oh, well, that or I'm just used to.
Well, no, I mean, the engine's supposed to be a lot thorough. You've done a bunch of stuff.
Moving 70 to Foxtrot, with taxi into the south end, to the hangars.
I see him.
Yeah.
So the south end, he's just
Well, that
taxiing.
is the south end, yeah.
He's just taxiing.
Yeah. We got any wind showing up here. See, never judge this by the speed. It's showing 56 knots of wind. I have no idea where that's coming from. All right,
Yeah,
your beat
this
is-
says 82 knots, ground speed.
Yeah, but the wind is 59 knots. You see it right there?
Yeah, that thing's wonky.
Yeah, I mean, 76 feet or 79 there.
Vital traffic, helicopter 458 Delta Bravo, right base, runway 18, flight out.
You go right base to final. You remember those days?
Yeah.
We don't need to X out, square it off as much. So you can do base to final and you can do crosswind or downwind.
Alright, clear, left, lane light is on. Going for the numbers. Normal approach. We can square it off. It was wide enough. You complain because I go too slow.
50 knots. I mean,
Vital traffic, helicopter 458 Delta Bravo, base to final, runway 18, we touch and go, flight out.
Alright, where you putting that at?
What?
Where you putting it at? Numbers?
Numbers, yeah.
Alright. Normal approach?
Yep. I don't know where to look for all the... Where's the VSI on this thing? Oh, there it is.
HSI. Oh wait, VSI.
It's over there.
This is normal.
Yeah, we're not eating
The other 44 was not normal. It was an instrument trainer, that's why.
I'm gonna go all the way down, practice of just landing this thing, because...
That's right, it's a new runway. See, they got resurfaced.
Yeah, it was closed for a while.
Yep. Look at your wind sock, you're probably about 120 on a wind.
That's better than my last landing in this thing.
Yes, it was, which was in Baton Rouge.
Terrible. That was terrible. Alright, left traffic. Here we go.
Two-stage pull-up. How many winds? About right here. Okay, hold it right there. Excellent. Alright, run your checks.
3Gs, top of T, no WCs. Fuel is still good. Clear, clear, clear. Vital traffic, helicopter 458 Delta Bravo is on the go. Be entering the left traffic for runway 18, flight out.
Try to keep it right on center line for practice. Like I said, Peyton said, try to, teach everybody, hit that 300 feet before you make that turn.
Yep. Yeah, that's what I brought that into flying, turbines. When we fly the 58, when we come out of Shade Tree, I always tell my guys we're gonna 300 feet.
He said the reason is if you got to do a 180 auto when you're below 300, you ain't gonna like it.
It's gonna hurt.
Yep. So you don't have to be this far out. This is an airplane. Spacing, you could be about another 100, 200 yards closer.
Okay.
And that way, if we do have an engine, we should be able to make the landing without any problem. So try to get a little tighter.
Okay.
On your next time around. Nothing bad with it, but I mean, think about what happens if.
Right. Especially out here.
Yeah.
We're not in a good spot.
You ain't getting.
We do have winds. It would be 110. So I mean, we have a little bit of a wind pushing us toward the runway.
Yep. And then,
all right, let's do a shallow, and then we can get to some quick stops and autos and stuff.
But
my finger locked up.
You ain't getting old, are you?
Yeah, I'm getting old. Everything's got arthritis now. I don't know, what is right? It's flying like a regular helicopter right now. Do you turn the hydraulics off? Probably doesn't work. You pull the hydraulic circuit breaker, nothing happens?
How's it now?
The same as it was before.
Okay. I can't remember exactly how he did that to me for practice or whatever. Excellent. Not too much. Remember, the biggest thing is you don't want to stick that tail in the ground. Like I said, there's my quick stop and then there's Bell's quick stop.
Yeah.
The first one you started was a Bell one, because they did like barely, maybe 10 degrees nose up. I go like 25 degrees nose up.
All right, so the wind is now favoring, nothing, but 3-6 looks, the sock is at least pointing that direction.
It's coming out of the north now?
Foxtrot, traffic movie 377, Juliet Foxtrot, taxiing. The hangar's 218. Follow.
He's going to 1-8.
Yeah. Because he sees what we're doing.
Yeah.
Do a slight needle split and just hold it. And always be prepared in case it's ever real. You just continue with it.
All right, you ready?
Get to the
3, 2, 1, down, right, aft. Check.
And you hold it right there. If nothing's moving, we're doing perfect. Put your speed 70 knots, keep it just like that.
Yeah, I would slow down to make the numbers if I needed to.
Or you can do S turns. In other words, if we're coming against the trees or whatever, you can do S turns. Fine. It's just letting you know, hey, don't do anything stupid. Hey,
maybe
glide it. Yeah, go ahead and fudge flare. Roll it in right here. Roll. See how she rolls up. Roll it up. A little bit low on the RPM.
Oh, we're still in the green.
Yeah, we just at the bottom of it. Everyone's getting close. All right, not bad.
All right, 3G stop at T, no WCs, still good.
Let's grab another one.
Battle traffic helicopter 458 Delta Bravo is on the go, be entering left traffic 18 flight up.
I know you're just coming out of the thing, so that's not a problem.
All right, 3, 2, 1, down, right, check.
Up the collective. Hold it. Get an idea how far she floats when we practice these things too, A little bit more. All right, start rolling it in right about now. Roll it in. You say your RPMs came up on your rotor a little bit. Exactly what they're supposed to do. I was textbook perfect.
What was that, 2,000 feet?
Tell you what, give us a pedal turn, let's take a look. Well, this is 1,000. Did you start it on when the blacktop started?
Yeah, a little bit before.
Dude, that's a half a mile, a quarter mile almost.
Yeah, about 2,000 feet.
Did you start it right when we hit Okay, 2,000 feet with no wind, basically. Not really that much. But look at all the parameters. Half a bag of fuel, 400 pounds in cabin. So obviously if we had 10 knots of wind, we probably would never have made it to the bars. But, all right, want to try 180?
Yep.
He's floating more than we realize.
Yeah.
He's actually going to overshoot. I mean, we're surviving. That's the idea of this one.
Mandeville traffic, Mooney 377 Juliet Foxtrot, 5 miles east, 2,500.
Roll it in, roll it in, roll it in. Roll, there you go. Other than any extended, in other words, obviously we're not practicing commercial maneuvers, we're just doing somewhat dead stick landings or whatever. I practice it in 172 and 182 all the time just to get proficient at it.
Let's go east. West. Let's go west.
There you go. All right.
Lido traffic helicopter 458 Delta Bravo is on the go. Be departing the pattern to the west, Lido. Just get out of it. Look, there's so many people flying now. My God. Oh, Lord.
You look like Popeye now.
Oh, that's funny. I gotta get some different sunglasses because he's sucking with the headset. Yeah, garage, dude.
Right there?
Yeah.
What is that, a free wire?
Oh, look back there.
Whoa, man, that is sweet. Where are we?
Mandeville. This is Mandeville. Yeah, old Mandeville, and then...
And Madisonville's on the other side.
Yeah.
That's a single house? Yep.
Yeah, that's a nice... You don't want to be the nicest house in the
I bet you
neighborhood.
that guy's got a nice daughter, about 35 years old, never married, looking for a fighter jet.
Probably.
Go knock on the door.
Yeah, well, you're going to land there? There's plenty of room.
Well, we just practiced our high, our confined area.
Yeah, our confined area. All right, you ready to call it a day? See about the chalk lines?
Yep. This approach waypoint reached. Remain suspend activated moves.
Well, you don't want to be messing with that while you're at low altitude like this.
No, I'm just reading it.
Vital traffic helicopter 458 Delta Bravo is clearing the active, and we'll be taxiing back to the ramp. Vital. I'm going to just turn off here and hover taxi.
However you want it. Oh, that's right. You got to see how good you can put it in the little square, huh?
I'm going to let you do that. You got to show me. Although, if we're being honest, I got the trailer, I got the OH6 on the trailer.
I didn't want to mess too much with that. I mean, I was unfamiliar with the machine, unfamiliar with the
No,
trailer.
I'm not blaming you.
And
That's
crying your ass off like, I hit that thing.
You kept trying to hit the 407 in front of us.
Well, look, if I'm going to damage something, I'm going to damage something serious. I ain't going to hit no Volkswagen, dude. I'm going to run into a Ferrari, all right?
Yeah, well.
To make State Farm go, oh, my God!
Yeah, well, that's perfect.
Shuttle traffic, Skyline is taxi from the south hangars, runway 18, Slidell.
About right there. Look at that side.
That is, that would be on it.
And you're about 1.5 feet over here. So I think you're good.
That's it. Next time it's pop the wheels, crank it up. Just remember that flat bar that's back and forth.
Oh, yeah.
You know, that's the only thing. And we leave it on there until we take it off, until we're ready to get it off.
All right, Lester.
All right, you should be good to go. Safe flying as always. Just got a schedule with me. Let me know. I know he's coming up on a couple of days. I got Jazz Fest that I'm taking the guy up for, which I've been doing for the last almost 20 years.
And this thing?
Yep. And we take the door off, and he shoots all the Jazz Fest photos. It's actually Quinn Davis's photographer, and they use that for marketing. So we'll be up in this thing. I think it's May 2nd.
Okay.
So we'll be up for that. Other than that, what is it? Good tailwinds, clear skies. Don't fly west. If you remember that thing, don't buy the farm,
Yeah.
but you can get in the whole 9 yards and get shots.
All right. Thanks, Lester.
All right, have a good one.